My name is Anna Joseph Steven. I'm here to present my work, individual assignment. My topic is identity theft and financial fraud, cybersecurity. The introduction says the stolen self-defining identity theft. The identity theft is a criminal act where an authorized person steals sensitive PII, personal identifiable information, to impersonate you for financial gains or legal activities. There is global impact, but also there is dark web. In global impact, every 22 seconds person identified is stolen globally. In Tanzania, fraud involving NIDA number and bank credential has become a leading cybercrime. The dark web stolen identities are often sold on dark web or to criminal syndicates who use them to secure fraudulent loans, lauder money, or access restrict service in your name. Okay, another point or another part we can see understanding PAI there. Example, the hacker gold mining. Here you can see personal identifiable information, PII. Here we can see the following. What counts as PII? These include your full name, NIDA, ID number, birth date, physical address, and even your digital biometrics. But also there is value of data. Hackers don't just want your money, they want your data. A complete PII set allows a criminal to recreate you in eyes of banks or government agencies. But also there is storage warning. Here we can see, or we can advise you, never store photo of your ID cards or bank's cards in your phones, unscripted gallery, or on social media cloud storage. That is understanding personally identifiable information. But also there is inspecting ATM machines. Here you can see there is the schema overlay file. Fraudsters place a fake 3D printed card reader over the real one. The Wiggle test: always pull the card slot. If it moves or feels back, it trap. The other part is deep inset schema. Modern schema are paper thin and hidden inside the machine, making them invisible from the outside. There is secondary capture. Look for pinhole cameras hidden in fake overhead light or brooch holders designed to record your pin entry. There is keypad safety. Here we can advise you always use your second hand to form roof over the keypad while tapping, blocking all overhead camera echoes. Defending against SIM swapping. Here you can see mobile money and SIM swap fraud. The first step they can use the track. Fraudsters impersonate you at a mobile carrier shop, claiming they lost their SIM. Once they swap your number to their cards, your phone loses signal, and they get your bank OTPs. The warning sign, we can advise you here. The warning sign: if your phone suddenly shows no service in high signal, reel for more than 15 minutes, contact your mobile provider immediately from another phone before the crime to happen, before bad thing to happen or to get you. But also there is prevention. How to prevent it? Place a customer service provider or PIN or password on your account so that no one can change your SIM without the secret code. That is how to defend against SIM swapping. But also there is leveraging virtual credit cards. Here is how to secure online shopping. Online shopping. The content is the danger of primary cards. We can show you the danger of primary cards. Using your main debit card on website to expose your entire bank balance if that site is hacked. But also there is the virtual solutions. Modern banks and apps like Selcom and M-Pesa allow you to create a disposable virtual card. How it works? You load exactly the amount you want to spend. Example, $20 US. Once the purchase is done, the card self-destruct or can be deleted, making it useless to hackers. Useless to hackers. But also there is another document disposal best practices. But also here we still see the method of securing document destruction. We can see the dumpster diving. Main identity theft begin in the trash. Criminals sift through garbage to find bank statement, utility bills, or old school document contains PAI. The bank out method. If you don't have a shader, use the bank maker to cross your name, address, ID number before discarding paper. The golden rule. If a document contains your name and number, ID or bank, it should be shaded or banned. Never throw away in tract. That is also a good way. But also there is proactive credit financial auditing. Auditing your financial activity. There is the microtransaction test. This often tests a card making 18 purchase. Example, uses $0.99 on a random site. If works, they follow up with massive fraudulent purchase. Notification display. Ensure SMS alerts or email alerts are active for every cent that leaves your account. But there is routine audits. Once a month, sit down and review your bank statement line by line. If you see merchant you don't recognize, report it immediately before bad things to happen to you. Also, there's case study here. We can see let's practice ATM machine security check. The scenario: you are at campus ATM at 9 o'clock p.m. You notice the green plastic around the card slot looks slightly different in color than the rest of the machine, and it feels wobbly when you touch it. Your action is: first one, stop. Do not insert your card. Second, take a photo of the machine if safe. Take a photo. Use different item inside a wallet, bank branch, but also report the anomaly to bank security immediately via their toll-free number or through the free number that they have been given. It can be 144 or 100 or 100, but also you can use the airways. But there we can see the troubleshooting or post-fraud recovery. What to do if you are the victim? What to do if you are the person who hindering that problem? First of all, you have to instant freeze. Here, instant freeze is what? Use banking app to block all card immediately. The second, report to the authority, the people who are concerning with that bank. With people who are concerning, for example, visit the nearest police station to get an RB or report book number. This is required for any legal claim. For any legal claim, we look for the RB so as to make yourself safety for the good checkup for the treatment of that problem, or to hinder that problem, or to make good in that problem. Also, there is NIDA notification. If your national identity is lost or stolen, report it to NIDA officer to prevent unauthorized people from registering SIM cards in your name. But also number 4, password reset. Change the password of your primary email and banking app using different secure devices. That is a good way also to make it. But also there is a video here I can share with you in a few seconds. You can look.
What is identity theft? Identity theft affects millions of people each year around the world. Crafty fraudsters can steal identities in a number of ways. Some fraudsters commit identity theft by stealing physical information. They do so by dumpster diving, stealing mail, or taking discarded devices like computers, printers, or phones that have not had their hard drives wiped. Sometimes they rely on social engineering, which is when the fraudster manipulates or tricks a victim into giving up information. A common form of this is phishing, where a fraudster impersonates a trusted individual or entity and asks the victim for sensitive info. Identities can also be stolen through high-tech means like malware or data breaches, where hackers target large organizations and steal the information of multitudes of employees or customers. Information stolen through data breaches is often sold on illegal trading websites. With many different avenues to grab your information, how can you protect yourself? Make sure that all documents containing any personal identifiable information are shredded before disposing them. If you or your organization...
Here you can see the short video. I thought we have learned some of the things. Let's proceed. There is a quiz or document safety. We can look there. Knowledge check. The question is, what is the safety way to dispose of physical bank statement or document containing your personal ID number? The first option is throwing them directly into public trash bin, but also there is shedding or burning them completely. Okay, the feedback of the quiz. First is stop on or correct. Here you can troubleshooting post-fraud recovery, or there's things that you have learned back there. Report to the authority, need a notifications, password reset, instantly freeze. But also there is option how to try it again. Also you can voice cloning, deep fake video, AI phishing. But also there is final thoughts, how we can the silence in the digital age. Here you can use continuous battle, proactive over reactive, the ultimate shield. What I want to tell you in this slide is technology can only protect us so far. The most effective firewalls against identity thieves will always be user awareness, strict digital discipline, and a commitment to proactive defenses. And that is the last of our topic today. I thought something how you have learned through this, and God bless you. Thank you so much. I'm Anna Joseph Stephen. Thank you.